16 seconds. That's the amount of time between when the rain that you heard begins and the time that I began to speak. So for 16 seconds, you were listening to the sound of the piano and the sound of the soothing rain. What were you thinking about during those 16 seconds? Here's what I was thinking about. I enjoy the rain because of its simplicity, because of its purity. The rain is there to restore and to refresh, to cleanse. The rain and I are very much alike. Never good in excess, but gone for too long creates a drought, and striving to find that balance. The rain can bring a halt to your plans and can force you to take a breath. Sometimes it can confine you to solitude, which then gives you no choice but to be alone with yourself, to face your thoughts that you avoid by being busy. We all need the rain. The graceful drops of rain encourage growth in all things. The sound of rain and I have a special connection, and that sound of rain has a certain rhythm. Like its own heartbeat, the rain is alive, and the rain brings a supreme sense of peace. That is the sound that you hear behind every single video. It represents a certain serenity and calm that I want to provide. And it's the very same sound that you're hearing right now. Listen closely. Do you hear it? How does it make you feel? We often associate rain to gloominess and to darkness, and it is. For some, when it begins to rain, it shapes their day into a more downcasted day. But we never consider how it benefits the farmers who have crops, the gardens with vegetables, and the florists with flowers that crave rain just as much as they crave sunshine. The rain is an entity, sometimes a calming, soothing presence, exuding warmth. But sometimes it is powerful and aggressive, and it displays its strength. It is a universal sound that does not need a translation. We all understand the rain. It darkens our world to brighten the future. The rain cannot be controlled or tempered, and it disregards time. It does as it pleases, but one thing that is guaranteed with rain is that the rain will always end. So find solace in the rain.